One thing that could cause your furnace to make a loud noise is a dirty air filter. Okay, if our furnace can't breathe, it's gonna be screaming for help. Another thing could be improper ductwork, improper ducting for your furnace. It's gonna cause really loud noise. Anything outside of that, if the furnace is loud and noisy, you should probably call a service professional because it's definitely malfunctioning. Anything that's abnormally sounding from a furnace, you should 100% contact a service professional quickly.